Terrible. Good morning, Stevie here from the Macvello Chronicles, and welcome to another dog trek story. I hope you've enjoyed today's dog trek. I would also humbly request that you could subscribe to the channel, please, if you like the content. We are brand new and we are doing our very best to try and grow the channel, but we can't do it without your help. And with that, I'll give you the last few seconds of the girls. Bye bye now. Eireann, stay there please. Eireann, stay there. Good girl. I know. It's over. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.